How to press OK on your TV without a remote.
Hello viewers! Ever found yourself in a situation where you can't locate your TV remote and you just need to press that OK button? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll discuss several methods to do just that, even without the remote. Let's dive in and remember, I'll highlight the key points for easy recall.
Are there physical buttons on your TV?
Many modern TVs still come with physical buttons, usually located either at the sides, bottom, or behind the TV. These buttons might be labeled or might have icons representing their functions. Locate the physical buttons on your TV. Identify the button that corresponds to the OK or Enter function. This might be a central button or a button that's marked distinctly. Press the appropriate button to simulate the OK command from the remote.
Using smartphone apps.
In the age of smart technology, many TV brands have their own smartphone applications that act as remote controls. Download the official app for your TV brand from your smartphone's app store. Connect your smartphone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Launch the app and follow the instructions to pair your phone with your TV. Once paired, use the app's interface to press OK or the equivalent command.
Voice commands and smart assistants.
If your TV has built-in voice recognition or is paired with a smart assistant device, activate the voice recognition feature. This might be done by saying a keyword, pressing a button on the TV, or using another paired device. Clearly say a command like, press OK, or select. The TV should recognize the command and act accordingly.
Universal remotes.
If all else fails and you have a universal remote lying around, program the universal remote to work with your TV brand and model. Use the universal remote's interface to press OK or the equivalent command. And that's it. Several ways to press OK on your TV without the dedicated remote. We hope one of these methods works for you and saves the day. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions, like checking for physical buttons, can do the trick. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Happy watching!